Well, I would love to welcome you to this video. And my name is Lubosi Commodities, and I'm here to talk to you about commodities. Now, I I'm usually known for trading forex, and so most of the times I trade forex, and then I talk a lot about stocks, a lot. So, excuse me. So, in this video, I'm really just going to attack commodity trading. Commodities are very important, you know. Mastering how to trade commodities has been a very, very nice challenge for me, and it was something that I recently just picked up, just recently, because it was that thing whereby I I I looked at it and I said I can do this. But before I go on, let me thank my mentors. Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Timothy Sykes, who wrote the book, the forward to the book, The Penny Stock Guide, and finally Matthew Greater, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks, right? And then you can find all these three books on Amazon Kindle. And allow me to set a disclaimer telling you that you will lose money. So a disclaimer means a warning. Okay, so I'm warning you ahead of time, letting you know that you will lose money from trading. So learn risk management, and do not buy what I tell you to buy. Do not sell what I tell you to sell. Now let's get into the story. So learning how to trade commodities has been something I have enjoyed doing. I have really enjoyed learning how to trade commodities, because learning how to trade commodities, it's it's like a superpower. It really is like a superpower, and I would really encourage you to learn how to trade commodities. It's a superpower. It's like once you learn something, then you can predict how to buy or sell something. I think the only commodity trader that I know of that's very good, that's public, is a guy called Dan Pena. I think he was the richest man in Mexico. Dan Pena. I think he's the only one that I know of as of now, publicly, who's like a expert commodity trader. And so, trading commodities is awesome, and it's a powerful strategy. So we're going to look at a couple of commodities to trade. Let me wear my glasses right here. Okay. Wow, I love this camera, and the lighting is very the lighting is very good. The lighting is very good. I love the lighting. It's awesome. Okay, so let's look into how to trade commodities right here on the screen. Now, I am using something called stochastic indicator. So basically, we are trading commodities in a reversal. So basically, when the price is above this zone here, this is called the sell zone. Okay. Now, again, this is not a leading indicator, so it doesn't mean when it crosses, then you buy and sell. So these indicators, these are lagging indicators. All right, I need to warn you, these are not leading indicators, meaning you cannot use them to buy, to make a decision of whether to buy or sell. These are not indicators to use when you're trying to make a decision of whether to buy or sell. They are more of trend following indicators. So, based off probabilities and chances. So, that's why risk management is very important when you are learning how to trade. Now, oh my goodness, I'm trying to put on my glasses. Okay, all right, there we go. Okay, all right, okay, all right. Now, um, now as you can see, we're going to start with soy bean futures. Now, as you can see from this standpoint, it is in a downtrend. Okay, according to the moving averages on top here, you can tell that uh, this price is definitely in a downtrend, and because of that, you can also confirm this downtrend reversal by this price action here on the RSI, but it's not always exact. I think another indicator that we can use apart from the RSI is the relative strength index. Okay, so as you can see, with the relative strength index, which is on the week, you can see it's kind of like in a range, right? And this is the point that I'm trying to get across to you. If you can understand that most of these moves happen, especially commodities, they happen in a range. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. I think another indicator that you can look at is wait, is that one? No, sorry, not that one. Yeah, that one. So this is another good indicator. In fact, this one is very good for commodities. So you can see it right here. It's called the CCI Commodity Channel Index. So we are looking at the good ones to short sell. So soybean futures set 2 month top, corn which inch higher. So you can look at the breaking news if you want, right? Then another one that I feel is downtrending is the US Treasury 5-year Treasury note. Okay, so the US 5-year Treasury note is in a downtrend, and this one we're not using any indicator in particular, but you can see from the range here, because it's in a sell zone when it's in this range here. All right, and then the last one, there are three good short sales, is the corn futures. So with the corn futures, as you can see in the CCI, it is in a sell zone, and the fact that it is in this sell zone shows that it is a very good trade to sell. And then again, we can also look at the rocket booster strategy here to help us see the downtrend. And as you can see, it's at support, at resistance. It's right there at resistance on the 50-day moving average, which is a good indicator. The fact that it's on the 50-day moving average, so the 50-day moving average is acting like a resistance. Okay, the support of this price is here, and this is the resistance, and usually this is the best time to buy. So you want to buy at the resistance level, maximum resistance. And now we're going to look at the natural gas. So with natural gas, it's not very easy to see the support. I actually made a paper trade on natural gas. So natural gas is definitely going to go up, and as you can see, it is in a buy zone here. To really see that we are at a very maximum support in natural gas, you need to look at it from the monthly, from the yearly chart. So as you can see on the year, this is the lowest it has ever gone. The first time that it hit this, one of the times that it hit this low, excuse me. So one of the times that it hit this low was in May 2020, around May 2020. It took a couple of months, and since then the price has skyrocketed for 2 years. So for 2 years straight, the price has skyrocketed. And in May 2020 was when there was an economic downturn. So we can kind of look at this natural gas phenomena as a price cycle in the market. So the last time the natural gas energy sector was cheap was in 2020, and then it finally just went up. The next one that we can look at in the commodity trading is coffee. Now, the challenge that I'm having with coffee, I don't know what this means. What does this mean? Data is delayed. All right. Now, coffee is a good buy, but the challenge that I'm having with coffee is finding the support. I am seeing the support here. So let's go to the daily chart. Maybe we can see the support. All right. So the support, as you can see, it's on the 50-day moving average. So you really need to understand trading because it can get very technical. So sometimes you have to look for the support on the 50-day moving average. Sometimes you have to look for the support on the relative strength index. Sometimes you have to look for the support on the commodity channel index. Sometimes you have to look for the support on the yearly chart. So it's really not a straightforward thing. It's based purely off my market psychology. So once you understand market psychology, then you'll be able to trade easily. Now you can see the support here on the commodity channel index. You can see the support right here on the commodity channel. Excuse me, on the commodity channel index, right? So you can see it's a higher low here. And so this is the hogs futures. The next one we're going to look at is the T bond. So these are treasury bonds. So as you can see, there is it's going to go up. Treasury T bond futures are going to go up because the price has hit the 50-day support resistance level here, and we can see the same support. Oh, excuse me. We can see the same support level in the commodities channel index. So treasury bond yields as well a good buy. Now this one is a very hard to see, but it's a special case. But as you can see, it is literally skyrocketing to the top. So cocoa futures are definitely the best. I think this is the best chart overall. But maybe let's see if we can find the support. If we cannot find the support, then our conclusion is this is a breakout pattern, and you can see that it broke out right here in July. So it has been going up. Well, no, not July, in February 2024. So this was a pure breakout. So it broke out actually in January, if not December, was that November? So it broke out in January. So it has been trending up. Cocoa has been trending up, and it is definitely cocoa futures are definitely a good buy. And then one of the last buys, believe it or not, is the US 30-year Treasury. The US 30-year Treasury has hit a support level, and you can look at the support level on the CCI. It's very clear to see it has gotten a double bottom here on the price target. Now, again, like I said, these indicators are based. These buying recommendations that I'm talking about are basically purely based of market psychology. So trying to understand the market psychology is the key when buying these commodities. So commodities trading is very advanced. Okay, it's a very advanced trading skill, and it's not something that I would take lightly. I do not take it lightly. If you are going to learn how to trade commodities, you should really dedicate at least 2 years of your time to learning how to trade them. But once you learn, it's so easy. So, if there was one asset class that I would really one future asset class that I would really recommend, which is the star of the show, it's cocoa. So the cocoa futures are just skyrocketing to the top, and cocoa futures are a pure breakout, as you can see here. And so you want to focus on cocoa futures because cocoa futures are definitely in a clear breakout, as you can see right here. So I would love to thank you again for watching this video. Please remember the disclaimer: do not buy what I tell you to buy, do not sell what I tell you to sell. Trading is very risky, and trade safe out there. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Rocket post this content if you are enjoying this. Take care. Bye bye.